Alright, so it's day 2 of the trying to get the bees out of the wall. It looks like they've clustered underneath the back of the pro nuke, right under the lip. Right there, some of them. So, gonna see what we got here. Probably gonna move that. So it'll be to the right of the vent in there in the wall. Alright, so I drilled a hole up there where the purple tape is. A few bees came coming in, but this is the section. There's an electrical panel, there's a cabinet, there's a water heater, bunch of stuff. There's stairs and ladders, so it's really hard to get back there. Of course, it's like the bees plan it that way. And so I sprayed some honey bee gone on the inside right there, and again, trying to do this as, of course, the easy way is always the hard way, right? It would have been easier if I just went in there and ripped all that out, I mean, time-wise, but they are starting to come running out of the hole here, so they don't like that smell for anything. So hopefully we can flush them out. Took a while yesterday, but they're trying to come out, and maybe we'll see a queen crawl out of here because I sprayed it up top where most of them are. And once they start coming out of here, I can just keep pumping it in the backside, hopefully flush them out. Alright guys, so blocked the hole up with some steel wool, smoked them, honey robber, everything, till they stopped coming out of the holes. And my pro nuke, you can see there some on the front. I never saw a queen come out, but doesn't mean she didn't. That just means I didn't see her. And they were sneaking out on the other side there in the on the other side into the garage. So, but I don't know why. I don't know if obviously, you know, this house was just purchased. They may have had not the homeowner, but I think maybe the people before them had pesticide people come in, exterminators, because the ones that have been coming into the garage pretty much do this. They just fall over and die if they get in here. So you can see there's some that were coming by that black pipe down there and coming out. I sprayed some honey robber back there to try to keep them in the wall and going out the other side. And did that until there were no more coming out. So now we just have a pro nuke with some bees, and not even like a huge cluster, but you know, there's some in the box and some outside. If you can see, it's looking like it's gonna start raining. Not so much over that way, but from over that way. And the weather was calling for scattered showers, scattered thunderstorms today. So that's what we're dealing with. So I'm kind of trying to tighten it up here, get as many as I can into the box. If I have to, I can just, you know, give them another queen or merge them with a weaker colony, something like that, to give them some life. Hell, I'll take them, put them in one of my weaker nukes that has a queen in it, and let them go. So anyway, that's the plan. We'll talk to you guys later. Man, I wish I had smell-o-vision right now. This bush smells great, and I think there's a bunch of jasmine, something back here. Honeysuckle. Smells awesome. Awesome. Smells good over here. But we'll see what happens. Looks like they're collaborating up pretty good on the nuke on the back. I got it vented, but they're not really going in, but they are getting on the back. All right, so check this out, guys. I was doing the removal. It started to rain as I'm leaving. Lyson. We got the Lyson came in, pneumatic valve and bottling tank, so it's in the truck. Take it to the house. Be awesome. All right, hey everyone, welcome back to Walker Bee Ranch. So today's been eventful, busy really. I went to oh, I hear thunder. Work with the cutout a little bit, which isn't really a cutout, it's more of a forced abscond. Worked on that. Looks like it's gonna rain. Ooh, I gotta close that. Let me see if I can not get stung. See, I noticed stuff like this where I don't get the migratory cover on very good. Close it down. Sorry. I've got the bees are flying, the bees are doing their thing. Looks like it's gonna rain. I've got to tomorrow is supposed to be nicer again, so I'm gonna work on getting a couple nukes, good nukes made up for a customer coming Saturday to buy a couple nukes from me. Just one of those busy days. Also, my equipment came from Better Bee. I had to go pick that up. I got that in the honey house, but I haven't unboxed it yet, so probably be an unboxing video coming on that at some point. And you know, we're just doing living the dream, y'all. Just trying to make the bees, make the money. Trying. Now, I'm not big scale like some people, but you know, we're trying to make what we can with what we got. Just checking this out tomorrow. Oh yeah, tomorrow we got to do the Demaray update, see how they're doing. Was a little worried last week, didn't find the queen in there, so we're gonna try to find her, see if we can find her tomorrow. If I don't find her, I'll probably take the excluder all the way out and you know, see what we got. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.